Good morning to y'all. Hope y'all doing good. It's R&R Trains here with Russell. And yesterday went to Dollar General store and got some 4 packs each of popsicle sticks. Now I was looking for some regular wooden popsicle sticks, but all they had was multiple colors, which is fine. If I needed to, I got a pretty good variety of paints that I can paint them one all color or different colors than they already are, if I needed to. But what I'm going to use them for is going to be covered up anyway. I'm actually going to be using the rocks that my dad gave me. It's cool how some things work out. Like my dad had planned on using some rocks for a project, and then he decided he didn't want it for that project, so he didn't need them. So I took them. So now I can figure out what I want to do with them with my train layout. And so I figured, well, why don't I just go ahead and do a rocky train tunnel. And so that's what I decided to do. But I'm going to do it as the track is turning the corners. So I'm going to do a pretty big section, and then I'm going to put popsicle sticks across the top of the rocks. Now I think I should be able to do 3 or 4 layers of rocks as a wall on both sides of each side of the track, and then of course glue them spaced enough where the train can get through without the rock scraping the train, because I know that's done it a couple times, just laying them there, just testing them. So before I glue any rocks, I need to make sure I got the right space between the track and between letting the train go by with, plenty of room. So I'm getting things figured out little by little, and I definitely really enjoy having this train layout. It is really fun. So I'm really enjoying every bit of it. And yeah, I'll do some videos of me gluing the rocks next to the track. That'll be my next video, and I'm sure I'm gonna have fun with it for sure. But anyway, today's Saturday. Hope y'all are enjoying your Saturday, and I'm pretty much gonna enjoy mine, that's for sure. Gotta do some errands before I can get back to the apartment in my train room to fix the rocky tunnel. So we'll get it going little by little, like I said. And what I'm gonna do is just rocks here, popsicle sticks on top, make sure the train can go underneath it without the popsicle sticks, with the train hitting the popsicle stick. So I got to make sure it's up high enough, maybe a little bit more room, like 2 or 3 inches more taller, where the train can go under and all the way around. So it's going to be fun.